The red cow, or as it's sometimes called, the red heifer, holds a fascinating history that stretches across various cultures and religions. Its significance goes beyond just being an ordinary animal. It carries deep religious and symbolic meaning. In this video, we'll delve into the history of the red cow and explore its importance in ancient traditions and modern perspectives. From its biblical origins to its symbolic representation, join me as we uncover the intriguing story behind the red cow. Biblical origins. The story of the red cow finds its roots in the pages of the Bible, particularly in the book of Numbers. In ancient Hebrew tradition, it was believed that a red heifer without blemish was required for a specific purification ritual. According to the Old Testament, this ritual was necessary for cleansing those who had come into contact with death or impurity. In Numbers chapter 19, detailed instructions are given for the preparation of the red heifer. It was required to be completely red, without any other colors, and it must have never been yoked or worked. The ritual involved sacrificing the red heifer outside the camp, burning its carcass along with cedar wood, hyssop, and scarlet wool. The ashes were then mixed with water to create a purification solution. This ritual was considered essential for maintaining purity and restoring ritual cleanliness in ancient Israelite society. The red heifer symbolized purity and atonement, serving as a means of spiritual cleansing for those who underwent the purification process. Symbolism and meaning. Beyond its practical role in purification rituals, the red cow holds deep symbolic significance in both Jewish and Christian traditions. In Judaism, the red heifer represents purity and the removal of impurity. Its sacrifice and the use of its ashes in purification rituals symbolize the cleansing of sins and the restoration of spiritual wholeness. In Christianity, the red heifer is often seen as a foreshadowing of Jesus Christ. Just as the red heifer was sacrificed for the purification of the people, Christians believe that Jesus' sacrifice on the cross provides purification and atonement for sin. The red cow sacrifice is thus seen as a precursor to the ultimate sacrifice made by Jesus. Furthermore, the red color of the heifer holds symbolic significance. Red is often associated with blood and sacrifice, representing the shedding of blood for the forgiveness of sins. The red heifer's purity and unblemished state emphasize the importance of offering the best and most perfect sacrifice for atonement. Overall, the red cow / red heifer serves as a powerful symbol of purity, sacrifice, and atonement in both Jewish and Christian faiths, carrying profound spiritual meaning for believers throughout history. Historical significance. Throughout history, the red heifer has played a crucial role in ancient Jewish practices, particularly in the rituals conducted at the temple in Jerusalem. The purification process involving the red cow was essential for maintaining ritual purity among the priests and the people. During the time of the temple, the ashes of the red heifer were carefully preserved and used in various purification rituals. One of the most significant occasions was the Day of Atonement, or Yom Kippur, when the high priest would enter the Holy of Holies to make atonement for the sins of the people. The purification ritual with the red heifer's ashes played a central role in this solemn ceremony. The red heifer's role in temple rituals underscored its importance in the religious life of ancient Israel. Its purity and sacrificial nature were believed to facilitate the removal of impurity and sin, allowing worshippers to approach God with a clean conscience. While the temple no longer stands today, the legacy of the red heifer continues to be remembered and revered in Jewish tradition. Its historical significance serves as a reminder of the ancient practices and beliefs that shape the faith of the Jewish people. Modern perspectives. In modern times, the concept of the red heifer remains a topic of interest and debate within Jewish and Christian communities. While the temple no longer stands, discussions surrounding the red heifer's symbolism and significance continue to thrive. In Judaism, there are differing opinions among scholars and religious authorities regarding the red heifer's potential role in future temple rituals. Some believe that the appearance of a red heifer meeting the biblical criteria could signal the coming of the Messiah and the rebuilding of the temple. Others view the red heifer as a symbol of hope and faith, representing the longing for spiritual purity and redemption. In Christianity, the red heifer is often interpreted allegorically, with its sacrifice seen as a foreshadowing of Jesus Christ's ultimate sacrifice on the cross. Christians believe that Jesus' death and resurrection provide the ultimate purification and atonement for sin, rendering the need for animal sacrifices obsolete. Despite the differences in interpretation, the red heifer continues to hold a place of reverence and fascination among believers of both faiths. Its historical significance and symbolic richness serve as a reminder of the enduring power of ancient religious traditions in shaping contemporary beliefs and practices.